Hello guys, my name is Kenry Fernandus Ginting. I'm from AN2B class. Okay, you're wondering how to open a car tier? Relax. Here I'm going to tell you how to text the thing rate. Okay, without wasting time, let's follow this step. 1. Number 1. Have the necessary equipment ready. Your curtain cannot change tear without special equipment. 2. Loosen the tear bolts. 3. Get the char jacks on. 4. Open tear bolt. And 5. Adjusting outside tear off. 6. Part down the jacks and tighten the bolt. 7. Returns the equipment to its original location. Okay, thanks how you text down the ring stair. Thank you. See you.